Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: updated snap, permissions set, and target files ready. Now start by launching the tool and choosing the project profile. This seeds correct defaults and reduces rework. Once done, import a single representative file so you can preview transformations. This speeds iteration. Make sure to set output path and naming pattern before batch runs to avoid collisions. I'll walk you through nuanced settings next so your results stay consistent across dozens of snaps. You'll now refine how Snap processes content, tweak compression, resolution, and metadata presets to balance quality and size. Here's why it matters for downstream use. Next, create a batch template and chain operations so repetitive edits run automatically. Chaining eliminates manual handoffs. Once you configure, run a 5-10 item preview to verify outcomes and timing. If performance lags, lower concurrency or use a temporary cache directory to reduce I/O contention. This maintains throughput without sacrificing fidelity. You're at the finish line. Execute the full batch and immediately validate a few outputs in their real viewers to catch format quirks. Once satisfied, archive originals and save an exportable log or report for traceability. This prevents accidental overwrites and eases rollbacks. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by inspecting the error log, confirming permissions, and checking disk space. These fix most issues. Finally, iterate preset tweaks based on failures, so your next run is smoother and predictable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.